Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the claim type, content ID, or copyright takedown because the path differs. Once identified, gather your proof: original project files, licenses, purchase receipts, timestamps showing your changes, and any prior permissions. Next, open YouTube Studio and go to Content, then the Copyright tab, and select the affected video. Start the dispute or counter notice flow right away. Accurate documentation shortens review time and prevents auto loss. Now you make the case. If it's a content ID match, file a dispute explaining why your use is authorized. If a DMCA takedown, consider a counter notice only when you're confident and willing to provide contact details. In your explanation, state how you have rights, a license, permission, or valid fair use, and connect specific timestamps to the claim. Attach supporting files and receipts, keep language direct, and submit. Once sent, the claimant has a set window to respond, so monitor notifications closely. Finish by monitoring the response and acting fast. If the claimant releases the claim, great, you're done. If your dispute is rejected, you can appeal or seek legal advice. Appeals must add new facts or clearer proof. For urgent problems, request a manual review via YouTube support or contact a partner manager if available. Keep detailed backups of every submission and correspondence. If things go wrong, this evidence is your leverage for appeals or, if necessary, formal legal steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.